Right, hello 8th graders. We're on problem number 3 now. And so again, we're just going to go through this process. Now again, I'm looking at this problem and see that I'm having a fraction, which means you should be able to at this point notice that our red graph here as our options are not possible. So now we're looking at a 1 out of 3 chance of getting this correct without actually knowing what to do. And so again, let's look here. All right, so if we're looking at 1/3 to the power of x, what is 1/3 if we have a power of -2? Well, again, a negative exponent is going to flip that 3 on top. So now we're looking at 3 to the second, which is actually just 9. Oh, 9. Oh, 9, 9. So I can grab this point, drag it over 2, 1, 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, not up 3, up 9. And there we are. We got our point. Let's double check. Over 2, up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Problem number done. What happens if we have an exponent of -1, 1/3 to the exponent of -1? Again, we're going to flip that 3 on top. So now we're looking at 3 to the negative, or 3 to the power of 1, which is actually just 3. Grab this point, over 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and there it is. We can use shift to kind of center that a little bit better. And then I'm hoping that you can kind of start seeing what's happening. We're dividing by 3 each time. And so our next one's going to be 1. Grab this point, go over to 1, use shift to center it a little bit more. Well, half of 1, or a third of 1, is actually just going to give us 1/3. So we can grab this point, drag it down, over 1, up about a third. Using shift, center that a little bit more. And then a third, if we third a 1/3, we're actually going to be looking at 1/9. We can grab this point, go to about 1/9 at 2, and I'm just going to do my best to kind of put that above 0, but it's going to look something like that. And so now we can look over here and look at all of our options. Well, green is being translated to the right, so I know it's not green. And then if we look at this purple here, our y-intercept for purple is a little bit less than 0, or a little bit less than 1. So therefore, it's blue. So grab that blue, place it on top, and look at that, it's matching. Our y-intercept is going to end up being 1 again on this. Our domain is the exact same, where it's -infinity and infinity. Oops. And then our range is going to be anything that's larger than 0. So 0 and then infinity. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, but that is problem number 3.